Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. You are watching Rabbi's unboxing. Today I am going to review a laptop stand. This is the box of the stand. Here I have some information on the box. So let's see what's inside the box. There is a bag with this stand in the box. And this is the stand. The bag looks good. This is stand made by aluminium and it is foldable, and I can see some rubber pads on the upside of the stand. It can be folded by this gear and it is compact. This is very useful gadget to me because I need to adjust my laptop screen's height comfortably, so this is very useful. It's have 6-section gear of height adjustment so that you can adjust your laptop height as per your wish. Well built, good quality metal body. I think it is good laptop stand. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel. See you on the next video.